quarterly submissions for MTD will be simplified details of income and expenses for that quarter. Important to note, these quarterly updates are cumulative. So if an error is discovered from a previous quarter, you don't have to correct the previous quarter and redo that submission, because all of your figures up to date are included on the next submission. So I'm going to make a detailed video all about corrections soon, but just to note at this point that the figures are cumulative as you go through the tax year. So quarter one will just have quarter one figures, quarter two will have the quarter one figures you've already submitted plus the quarter two figures. So for each transaction under Making Tax Digital, you will need to record within your software or within your online banking if your provider from your bank is offering a solution. Then for each transaction, you'll have to record the date, the amount and the category. So Making Tax Digital for income tax is using the same categories for income and expense types as the self-employment tax return. So if you've done your own tax return in the past and you've come to the self-employment pages, there are categories of different types of expenses. These categories will be mirror imaged onto the MTD quarterly returns. You'll be filling out similar boxes for each category type. And then you'll have an annual MTD tax return to do. And this is at the end of the tax year, same deadline as usual, being the following January. And this is where any accounting or tax adjustments are made. So this is things like capital allowances, if you've bought a new vehicle or plant and machinery. We'll be looking at private use adjustments, if you've got a mobile phone that you use partially for business, partially for private use. And we'd also be looking at depreciation, accruals, prepayments. All of those adjustments are done within the MTD annual tax return, not within your quarterly update.
Let's talk about